Hi boys and girls, we are doing more subtracting today. The 10 frames are already filled out for you, so all you have to do is cross off the number and then write the answer. So the first one is already done for us. Let's go to the next one, which is 18 minus 6. So we have 18 on our 10 frame. Let's cross off 6. So that leaves us with 10 and 2 more, which is 12. On the next one, we have 16 minus 11. So let's cross off 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That leaves me with 5 left. Okay, 19 minus 17. Whoa, that's a big one we have to cross off. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many are left? 2. Very good. Okay, now we have 11 minus 8. So let's cross off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that leaves me with 3. Now, if I have 12 minus 0, that means I'm not going to cross any off, which means there's how many left? 12. Good. Okay, let's look on the back side. Now, there's our number line again, and remember, we always write the answers under the line because the line is kind of like an equal sign. So we start on the biggest number and we count backwards. So we're starting on 15 and we're going to count back 9. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I stopped on 6. Good. I'm only going to do a couple more with you because by now you should be able to do this whole thing by yourself. Let's do 18 minus 6. Find 18 on your number line and count back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we stopped on 12. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you and then you're on your own for the rest. 12 minus 4. So we put our pencils on 12 and we count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We stopped on 8. Okay, I'll help you with this last one. 14 minus 0, if we take away 0, the number stays the same. So 14. All right, boys and girls, I want you to finish this paper on your own. Make sure your name is at the top and turn it into your teacher so that your teacher can check and make sure that the answers are correct and that you're able to do our job, which is to subtract using a number line.